But this one, he's told me about it, and I said, I don't believe you. He sent it to me, and here it is, Indonesia. Apparently, a couple of them got out. Welcome to Hot Wheels TV. Today we got a real quick one. This is the Power Pistons Treasure Hunt from the J case. Now you might have seen it on my Facebook. I said something about it, asked some questions. Again, our friend Mike Burkhart sent me this one. He told me about it, and I have never ever seen a car with an Indonesia base in the main line. The Indonesia bases are in the 5-packs, multi-packs, stuff like that. But never have I seen one in the main line. Usually they're all Malaysia or China. But this one, he's told me about it, and I said, I don't believe you. He sent it to me, and here it is, Indonesia. Apparently, a couple of them got out. Now, I know our friend Carl Pompanio has one, big variation collector, along with myself. Jimmy Garbachewski from the Hot Wheels newsletter, another variation guy. Now, both of those guys collect the 5-packs and the multi-cars. So, if you ever got any questions, ask those guys. They really know. I don't do too much with the multi-packs. But, yeah, I was really surprised. And when I posted it on Facebook, everybody mentioned it. Even, some guys from out there in Indonesia and China, and they all going like, hey, what's the deal? But and that was the guys from Mattel, right, Ron? But yeah, not too many people have seen the one with the Indonesia base on it. When I did the J case originally, mine had Malaysia base on it. Didn't think anything of it, and then Mike said, hey, I got one from Indonesia. I said, yeah, you're full of baloney. But here it is, Indonesia base. It is not too many out there. Kind of rare, pretty rare. So let us know in the comments if you have one from Indonesia, from the J case. Now, this is a U.S. card also. The one that I did, most of my stuff is the worldwide cases. So if anything, my international or worldwide case should have had an Indonesia base on it, right? So who knows? But yeah, this one here is an Indonesia base, metal base. It says Indonesia right there, you can see. So yeah, if you have one, let us know in the comment how many you got, if you got one, where you got it, what store you got it, and hopefully we can figure this thing out, because that's pretty rare, pretty cool, pretty rare. So, like I said, all of them, most of them, 99.9% of them are Malaysia metal base, and this one is Indonesia. So, let us know. All right, that's a quick one from Hot Wheels TV. Thank you for watching. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe, and please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves. All right? Bye-bye.